my gorgeous, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Always, all the time, these chanderis which I am wearing are always in demand because of the stuff and the flow. It's so amazing. You can go for round the clock wear, like 9:30 to 8 o'clock. However it is, you can wear it for your office wear also. It is not transparent and it is very lightweight and best for our Indian climate. The first sari is this which I am wearing. See, the pallu is block print. All are block prints in it with a beautiful zari border on both the sides. And the blouse part is this. It's a deep maroon color blouse. Alright, then I will show my rest of the collections which I have today. And yes, my first sari is a beautiful, it's a pale dusty color. I can't name the color of it. It's a kalamkari prints all over, and you can see these prints, the borders on both the sides. The border, the zari, it's very nice and beautiful. It gives you a subtle but really a rich look. And this is the pallu part of it, and the body part comes this way, and the blouse is a mehendi green color blouse. This is the first sari. This is the second sari. First sari is this, and then comes a beautiful black color sari with a contrast matching red, maroonish red color blouse. And you can see this all over design. Alright, and this is the border, pallu part, and this is the blouse part. Alright, for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to our page, lands to that page. And whatever product which I am showing it to you today, if they are sold out, we will be removing that product out from our website so that you guys won't be able to see. Whatever we have only limited and exclusive collections. So grab your stuff right today. And see, this is a nice purple color with a small designs all over. I really wanted to open the sari and show to you all because you will get an understanding about the sari. And this is a rich wait, this is not rich pallu, it's a plain printed pallu with a rich blouse for this. The border and the blouse are similar. Alright, and then comes this, a beautiful blue, indigo blue color sari with a vertical design, zigzag design. And this is the pallu part. See this is the pallu part, and this is the sari, and this comes with a beautiful blouse. Alright, matching, contrast matching blouse. And see this, these are all hand block prints, and it is so nice, and the feel is so amazing. So that it's a slim fit sari, actually a very nice slim fit sari. Sari comes this border. This is the border part, and the blouse is contrast matching blouse. See, these two saris are so nice. See these saris, it's so beautiful. It's an indigo hand block print in chanderi silk. So hand block prints always steals our heart, and I love hand blocks because we can do lots and lots of creatives in hand blocks. See this is an indigo blue blouse where I have got two different hand block prints in this with a heavy pallu and heavy blouse. Alright, these two are indigo blues. Then comes this. Last time the border was different in this, and this time the border is different. It is a heavy border, and this is a beautiful contrast matching blouse for this. So this is the pallu part, and this is the sari as such, and with a beautiful matching blouse for this. And then comes, I have got one more color in this. It's a light color, and that is the darker shade. Whichever you want, you can grab your stuff. You can read our descriptions. Whatever we have mentioned, whether it's a rich pallu, simple pallu, plain pallu, however it is, you can read our descriptions. And then see this, all nice different concept. This side is a big border, and this side is a small border. Don't worry whether you are short or tall, that's okay. Life is all one time. If you are really liking this sari, And if you say, ma'am, I'm really short and I can't go for, no, not like this. If you're liking the saree, just grab it and wear it. Let us be the queen for ourselves. Why unnecessary waiting for others' judgments? Alright, and then see this. This is a nice mustard yellow color, and the concept is really good. And with a beautiful, I love this color matching, a posh color matching. And this is the pallu part. Alright, and the saree comes this. This is the saree, and this is the blouse part. And then you can see these. All these are so nice and exclusive. The borders are little heavy this time. You can see this. This is the one single saree where I have got 3 different colors, but the concept is the one and the same. You can see 3 different hand block prints with so brilliant. And this is the wine color blouse. And yes, I have got beautiful colors in this. One is only the color of the border and the blouse changes. You can see this is a black. Whoever is interested in black can go for this. This is the wine color. And then see, this is a beautiful posh color. It's a dusty color. All have that 3 brilliant different colors of hand block prints. And one more is this. It's a traditional navy blue color. The saree itself is very traditional and also it's stylish. It goes in both the ways. Else you can mix and match the saree the way which I am wearing. And then comes these. Wait, I'll show this. These are all handloom silk by cotton stuff with a traditional touch. Alright, it's a beautiful vibrant pink, and it has a contrast checked blouse in this way. Alright, and then comes this. These are all ikat print with handloom. All are handloom with a human touch. And this is a beautiful blue color, sky blue color, and with a contrast matching pallu. I think it's a copper sulphate blue color, dark color, and with a beautiful contrast matching blouse. Alright, and then comes this purple mixed blue color. You can see the saree as such ikats, handloom ikats. And this is the saree. This is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part. My last 2 colors. This is different and this is different. I will open this and show. All nice sarees, beautiful saree. This is the pallu part, and this is the body part where you have got contrast matching Ganga Jamuna borders. That is the orange color and the green color. All, and then comes these. It's a zigzag design. Once again, it's a purple color saree with a beautiful, see this pallu, ikat pallu, and with a beautiful contrast matching blouse. And then comes black, so nice and fine. So many likes black, I think, because I receive mails asking me for blacks. Alright, and this, and then these 2 are not handlooms, these 2 are machine made. And see this, and one more color is this. Alright, and my last chanderi is this hand block print by cotton. Alright, with a nice contrast matching blouse. Hope you all enjoyed seeing this show. This is only for saree lovers who love chanderi silk sarees, which are really soft and lightweight. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, SHIVANES boutique.com. Tirunelveli. Else click the above link which we have mentioned. You can use our WhatsApp number if you have really got enquiries regarding your status updates and everything. Actually, give us some time. Within 2 days we will get back to you. Until then, please after ordering, please wait for a while. You have to receive a receipt mail from us immediately after you placing orders. If you haven't received, please call us. In that way we will definitely help you. Thank you so much. Stay safe and bye bye.